This past week, Apple dropped a pretty cool product, the Vision Pro, but they also dropped some killer merch at their Worldwide Developers Conference. Limited edition tote bags, enamel pins, some kind of flask for drinks, a cap. It stuff's pretty cool. But they and there's also a thing where Swift Student Challenge, where those guys got free swag, plus they got AirPods. So I guess if you're a student, you got this special bag. But Apple's all about the merch, man. Their stuff is tremendous, and people really go crazy over it. There's a Twitter thread with a whole bunch of stuff on it. There's just everybody posting pictures of the things they got. AirPods, that's awesome. That's an awesome thing to get. These WWDC pins are crazy. These enamel pins everybody loves them. And that's funny that they would highlight the spinning beach ball of death. And they give these pins out every year. So they're collectible as hell. In fact, that's a takeaway. First of all, for events, merch is great for events because, in 6 months or a year or 5 years after, if you're still using the item, give them something that'll last and they'll take them right back to that event. And also be collectible. Those collectible pins are awesome and people love the shit out of them.